my channel XOXL. Don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button if you already haven't, and to like and share my video. So this video I'm super excited to show you because it is about the May BoxyCharm. But before I get into that, as you can see, I have my hair lighter, I got highlights, and I have lip gloss on. What? And I have lashes on. What? And I also wanted to let you guys know that these are the magnetic lashes, and if they're coming up off of my eyelash, sorry, they're distracting myself and probably you, but whatever. I'm so used to putting on regular lashes that these were honestly a little bit more complicated than I thought. I like it because there's no glue aspect of it, but I also don't like that they don't stay on very well and that they're pretty hard to put on. I'm so used to being able to glue down the corners, but these you can't. So yeah, it's just like a hit or miss thing. So if you guys have ever used the magnetic eyelashes, like the strip ones, I know there's like the individuals, but these are the strips. If you guys have ever used those and enjoy them and have an easy way to put them on, please let me know, because they're the most complicated things to put on. So yeah, also, what else? Oh, I was going to show you, I was going to put this lip gloss on today. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Warm Bronze Lip Gloss, and like I thought that it'd be like a gloss and like more translucent, but this is like super pigmented, and it was like extra dark on my face, and I was like, oh wow. So it was like super dark. It's very impressive for a gloss though, I must say. Like usually I feel like glosses are too like transparent, but this one's not. This is the one I got in my Influencer Vox box, and I'll link that video up here if you want to see the unboxing of this lip color. I actually really like it. It's a very nice neutral, and it kind of goes with like the darker eye. So yeah, so I've just been playing around today. So here we go. This video is all about my BoxyCharm unboxing, my May BoxyCharm. So you get 5 full-size items for $21. And if you want to check out my other videos that I did of my other unboxings, I will link them up here, and you can check those out. There's 2 of them that I did. I had March and April, and now we're in May. So yeah, I got a lot of good stuff so far, and I'm very, very excited. So we're going to start with this brush, Aesthetica. This is P12 is the number of the brush. Let's see. Ooh. This is like a nice, like you could use it as like a highlighter brush, I'm assuming, or like a contouring brush. Let's see, with synthetic fiber control. Yeah, a seamless look. So you could use it for like powder foundation. You could use it, ooh, they're really soft. You could use it for like a contour because it would like create like a chiseled look, or like an all over face powder. So I like that. That is really nice. Then they sent 3 full-size brushes from the same brand, Aesthetica, and there's a spoolie brush for brows, or honestly you could probably comb your lashes through. There is this angled, I think this is a brow brush. You could probably use it as an angled liner or a brow brush, but they sent a little tiny liner brush, so I'm assuming that that would be your brow brush. So let's see. Yeah, angled eyeliner brush. Oh yeah, an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. So I mean, honestly, you could probably use this as an eyeliner brush too, or a brow brush. This definitely eyeliner, and this is for your brows. So that is a really good deal too. These are pretty big. And oh, the other brush retails for $27, and these brushes, the 3 of them, they retail for $45, like I think all together. So I don't know if it's like all together or each are like 20 something a piece. So yeah, I'm not that great at math, so if you are, you'll know. So then this is the Han Skincare Lip Gloss, Han Skincare Cosmetics. Don't know what that means. Never heard of them, but that sounds kind of cool. It's an all-natural lip gloss, antioxidants, and vitamins. Healthy and natural. So that's kind of cool. It's called Nude Rose. This is a really pretty color. It's probably similar to this, but it looks a little bit darker. And then to compare to the Anastasia one that I was using, it's like more matte, this one. And this looks darker to me. Slightly. So yeah, that retails for $15. Then the Cover FX Blurring Primer, which is really, really nice. I've used their primers before. Their mattifying primer is fantastic. And this is like a really good full size. And this is $38 itself. So this is really, really good. You only need a tiny bit, and I'm assuming that this one is like the Benefit Professional, but I don't like Benefit Professional at all, so I'm assuming that this one will be good. Then this is the, look how cute it is. It's like a little ink, it's like an ink well. Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner. This is $24 by itself. Ooh, it's like in there, like that looks like it's like a sponge that you would dip it in. So like you would probably use obviously this one, but you probably could use this one too. And you could dip it in and then create like a line with it. So yeah, I mean, this is really cool. This is like fancy and it's like heavy. Like this is a lot of packaging going on right here, and I like it. Then for the last one, it is the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor Palette, which retails for 30 buckaroonies. And my puppy. With 2 highlighters and 2 contour shades. And it reminds me of the Cover FX contour palette because it's similar to that. And it smells like chocolate. I don't know if you guys have ever smelled the Tarte palettes. The Tarte, I think it's the Tartist one. The one with all the colors in it, with like the circle colors. I don't know what it's called. But it literally smells like vanilla-y chocolate-ness. And I think the Tartelets do too. But this is what it smells like, and it smells really good. Almost like Too Faced, but better. Better smelling. So yeah. Pure, actually they sent a full-size eyeshadow palette in the March BoxyCharm, and that one was really nice too. So I've been very impressed with everything that they've been sending. I feel like it's a very good deal because, I mean, you get so much stuff and you kind of can't go wrong. And yeah, I like really enjoy it. I'm glad that I like get this because they're all full-size and they're all a really good deal. So that was all the products. I also wanted to say thank you all for the questions for my question and answer video that will be coming up, and I've got a lot of good ones that I'm going to have to go through and figure out the answers to, that like I have to actually think about some of them too, because they're like not just like, oh, what's your favorite color? They're like in-depth questions, which I'm very impressed about. So thank you all for that. If you want to ask any more down below, leave them there. What else? I have a giveaway coming up at 750 subscribers, just so you guys know. This eyelash keeps coming off of my eye. It's driving me insane. But whatever. Yeah. So I think that's about it for this video. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!